I have a great pleasure of introducing you all to a project from our most recent Spring 2024 Planning Workshop, Reimagining Active Transportation for Phoenix's North Mountain Village, Strategies for Improvements Along the Arizona Canal. This project was made possible through a fantastic partnership between the City of Phoenix, Planning and Development Department, the MUEP program, and our exceptional students who led this initiative.
My team as ASU students work with the City of Phoenix for their transit-oriented community's effort to enhance active transportation in the North Mountain Village area. This project aims at transforming the Arizona Canal into a vibrant and active transportation corridor linking the Metro Center redevelopment mall to the surrounding neighborhoods.
Our research involved detailed site analysis, comparative analysis, best practices, and stakeholder engagement. Our efforts were to provide suggestions on how this network could be improved upon to make it a more vibrant and connected active transportation corridor using our research. This project is important and benefits the community, as previous research has shown that North Mountain Village has some of the most dangerous intersections and road segments in Phoenix.
Our recommendations focused on improved lighting, safety measures, upgraded pathways, and adding amenities like seating and shade to enhance the canal for walking and biking facilities.
Our project is innovative as it combines the use of many urban planning techniques, such as stakeholder engagement, qualitative and quantitative research and analysis, and so much more.
They visualized their plans and designs. They made it very clear what their design interventions are going to be. That's very important, especially if you want to share that information with the public. A lot of times we can get caught in planner lingo and things may not be clearly articulated to our audience because not many people in the public have a planning background. So students did a good job of making their interventions very clear, concise, and did a great job visualizing them.
As young planners from ASU, we brought fresh ideas and a commitment to community-focused solutions, showcasing how youth can lead transformative urban projects.
This project is a great example of how youth in planning have the ability to be given a project and take the initiative and the lead in developing innovative solutions to addressing existing urban planning issues.
We are incredibly proud of this work, and congratulations again to Grace, Komal, Hannah, and Jheng. Your hard work has set you up for great success in your future careers. Thank you again to the City of Phoenix for your continued support of our program. Your partnership enables our students to have tangible planning experience that would not be possible without your mentorship, dedication, and involvement with our program. Finally, a big thank you to the American Planning Association Arizona chapter and all of our other community partners from our program advisory board.